We're gonna give you a tour of my uncle's house.
They have so much
Well,
long
just
hair
outside.
on their legs and stuff. They must have been out all winter, huh?
That's one of his new mini horses. He's got 5 new ones. That's the Palomino. They're all kind of skittish. Except that chestnut and that black one over there. They're good friends.
I wouldn't know the difference.
I do.
That one right there is the smallest.
Here, baby.
Not sure what their names are because my uncle's not here right now, but he invited us to see them. So that's the little guy.
Oh, isn't he cute?
It's really tiny. Ooh, action. Mini horse action. No action?
That one looks more like a pony.
Oh, mini horse action.
Look at that one.
Hey, look at Jess. It's gonna happen. It's happening.
Hey,
Nibbles.
don't be biting.
I'll go let you meet the dogs. Okay. So, my uncle has a lot of dachshunds. Like, he kind of sort of breeds them.
He does?
Yeah.
Wow, they're cute.
That one's even fatter than Prince. Okay, that's one of the females. And that's a really fat one. They're all really cute. Oh, there's these guys. That is, not sure, but... Anybody in here? No? Piggies!
What?
I think there's pigs in this one. Piggy, pig, pig, piggies! Oh my god!
What?
Piggy, pig, 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 pig! Pig, 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 pig! Come on, Piggy!
This is a familiar scent. It
Pig,
smells
pig,
like
pig, 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 pig!
chicken.
No.
This is like a chicken.
Pig, 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 pig! He's got the way in. There's a window!
Okay, what's in there?
Pig! Oh my god!
Do you see it?
Yeah! Ooh! The door's over there. Let's go!
Can't go in.
Yeah, we can.
Jess, look at your feet. Jess, there's like another animal in there next to it.
We're going to meet my uncle's animals on the inside. We're in New York right now. These are the dachshunds. Oh my god, look at the bulldogs! Careful, he's aggressive.
He is?
He's a mean bulldog. What was that? There's one next to it. This is the female. That's the male. He's mean. This is the pig. Can you see? That's some of my uncle's animals. Gotta go by.